Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us learn Christmas words.
Yay! These are special things we see at Christmas time.
Kids, are you ready?
Let's go! Yay!
Amazing! This is a Christmas tree.
This is a Christmas tree. We decorate it with lights, balls and stars. It makes the room look magical.
These are snowflakes.
These are snowflakes. They are tiny pieces of snow that fall from the sky. Every snowflake has a different shape.
Very good. These are bells.
These are bells. Christmas bells ring ding dong and sound very happy. We hear them in songs and on decorations.
Now the next one. This is holly.
This is holly. It has green leaves and red berries. People use holly to decorate their homes at Christmas.
This is a gift.
This is a gift. Gifts are wrapped in colorful paper and ribbons. We give gifts to show love and share joy.
This is a stocking.
This is a stocking. We hang stockings near the bed or fireplace. Santa can put small gifts and sweets inside.
Very good. This is a fireplace.
This is a fireplace. It keeps the room warm and cozy. People like to sit near the fireplace at Christmas.
This is Santa Claus.
This is Santa Claus. Santa wears a red suit and brings gifts to children. He is jolly and loves to say ho ho ho.
This is a wreath.
This is a wreath. It is a round ring made of green leaves and ribbons. People hang wreaths on their doors to say welcome.
Very good. This is a reindeer.
This is a reindeer. Reindeer help pull Santa's sleigh. They run fast through the snow.
This is a star.
This is a star. We put a star on the top of the Christmas tree. It shines bright and looks beautiful.
Very good. This is a candy cane.
This is a candy cane. It is a sweet, strippy candy shaped like a hook. Many kids like peppermint candy canes.
This is a sleigh.
This is a sleigh. Santa rides in a sleigh instead of a car. It slides over the snow pulled by the reindeer.
These are Christmas lights.
These are Christmas lights. They twinkle in many colors. Lights make houses and trees look bright and cheerful.
This is a candle.
This is a candle. Candles give soft, warm light. We use them to make Christmas feel calm and cozy.
Amazing. Now the last one. This is a snowman.
This is a snowman. We built a snowman with 3 snowballs, a carrot nose and a big smile. Snowmen stand happily in the snow.
Wow! We learned so many new Christmas words today. Christmas tree, Santa, reindeer, gifts, and much more. Which one was your favorite?
My favorite was the Santa Claus.
Amazing! So let us wait for Santa Claus to bring us some gifts. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.